Hello students, welcome to the Standard 10, Subject Science, Chapter number 3, Metals and Non-Metals. We have learned about electron configuration of element in class 9, and also in the recent previous video we learned about electron cell of atom. Today in this video we are going to learn the topic how do metals and non-metals react. First of all, let us recall metals, non-metals and noble gases according to their electron configuration. Who are metals? Metals are they in which their outer cell, it means the valence cell. You can also say the valence cell. There are 1, 2 or 3 electrons. In the metals, in their valence cell, there are 1, 2 or 3 electrons. Let us talk about non-metals. Their outer cell or valence cell, there are 4, 5, 6 or 7 electron. For example, let us take an element sodium. Its sign is Na. We all know the atomic number of sodium is 11. Its electron configuration will be 281. Now you can see there is only one electron in its valence cell, so it is metal. Sodium is metal. Let us take the another example, which is chlorine. We all know the atomic number of chlorine, which is 17. So the electron configuration will be 2, 8 and 7. In this electron configuration, you can see there are 7 electrons in their valence cell, so it is non-metal. Chlorine is non-metal. Now let us see the figure of the electron cell of sodium and chlorine. So here you can see this is the electron configuration of sodium. There are 2 electrons in its first orbit. There are 6 electrons in the second orbit and there are only 1 electron in the valence cell. So this is the electron cell of sodium. In the right hand side you can see the electron configuration of chlorine. There are 2 electrons in the first orbit. In the second orbit there are 8 electrons and in its valence cell there are 7 electrons. So these are the figures for sodium and chlorine electron cell. So let's move ahead talking about noble gases. You have also seen in your previous classes. Let's recall who are noble gases. So noble gases are they in their outer cell. In their outer cell, it means in their valence cell, there are 8 electrons. It is completely filled. It is completely filled with 8 electrons. The last orbit is completely filled, and this is because of the theory which is octet theory. This is based on octet theory. This theory says every element wants 8 electrons. Every element wants 8 electrons in their valence cell, or you can say outer cell or last cell. Hydrogen and helium, these two don't follow this theory. Except them, all metals follow this theory. All non-metals and noble gases follow this theory. So from this theory, octet theory, every element wants 8 electrons in their valence shell. We will see electronic configuration of some metals, non-metals and noble gases in our next video. Hope you have understood very well. Thank you.